Up to this point, we have explored into understanding the fundamental aspects of income tax, featuring detailed computations alongside accurate examples. Regarding the income tax, two critical components arise. First, the calculation of the relevant tax on your income and the timely submission of payments. Second, equally significant is the fulfillment of formal obligations through the submission of income tax returns. During this process, it becomes important to identify the suitable income tax return form for submission. Currently, there exist 7 distinct types of ITR forms as per the income categories and income slabs. In general, ITR form number 1 or Sahaj form. If your yearly income is up to 50 lakh rupees, you can use ITR-1 for your income tax return. ITR form number 2, if your yearly income is exceeding 50 lakh rupees, you can use ITR-2 for your income tax return. ITR form number 3, if you work as a professional or own share in non-listed company, you should use ITR form number 3 for your income tax return. ITR form number 4 or Sugam, if you work as a professional freelancer or earn income through services like those provided by doctors or lawyers, you should use ITR 4 for your income tax return. ITR form number 5. Organizations registered as LLP, AOP and BOI can utilize ITR 5 form for their income tax returns. ITR form number 6. Companies which are not taking any exemption under section 11 can utilize ITR form number 6 for their income tax return. ITR form number 7. Organizations which comes under charity trust or religious trust can utilize ITR 7 form for their income tax return. Now you should have a better understanding of which ITR form to use. To file your income tax return, you can visit the income tax e-filing website or portal at https://incometaxindia.efiling.gov.in home. As a first step, you should register on the income tax e-filing portal. During the registration process, you will need to provide your PAN card details along with the name, address and contact information of the individual or company for whom you are filing income tax. Your contact details will be verified through email and mobile OTP verification. After completing the registration process, you can proceed to file your income tax using the following steps. Step number 1. Calculation of income for that financial year and tax. Step number 2. Upload on portal TDS certificate and Form 26AS. Step number 3. Choose the right income tax form. Step number 4. Download ITR utility form. Step number 5. Fill in your details in the downloaded form. Step number 6. Validate the information entered. Step number 7. Convert the file to XML format. Step number 8. Upload the XML file on the income tax portal and filing. Step number 9. Last step, once the return is filed, ITR-V acknowledgement will generate.
We have covered different ITR forms and the process of filing income tax returns. Now let's check your understanding. Question 1. How many ITR form types available? Answer: 7. Question 2. Which identification proof is mandatory to file income tax returns? Option A. Aadhaar card. Option B. PAN card. Answer: Option B. PAN card. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit a like button if you find this video helpful. Thanks for participating in the ArthShikshan initiative.